Hello children, good morning. Welcome to my class. Children, at last class we know the poem My Land, isn't it? This lesson is completed. In this class, let's know the comprehension and some language activity of this poem. Okay? All of you open your English textbook, page number 93. Comprehension. Answer the following questions. Okay. Let's know the question and answer of this poem. Okay. First question. How is the native land? Answer. The native land is rich and rare. Okay. Next. Second one. How are the men or women in this land? The answer is men are the brave on the earth and women are not scared of anything. Isn't it? Next. Write a short paragraph of 5 sentences on India, my motherland. Okay, we have to write 5 sentences about the my land, that is India. Which is our motherland? Yes, children, India is our motherland. So, we have to write 5 sentences on India, my motherland. Okay, children. First point, that is my motherland is India and I love it very much. Isn't it? Yes, my motherland is India and love it very much. Second point is this earth is full of culture and literature. Yes, isn't it? Yes, our India, our motherland is full of culture and literature. Next, my motherland is surrounded by nature from all sides. Yes, children, this is very true because our land is so beautiful, so fresh land. Like how the poet described his motherland, so our motherland is also very fresh and very fair land or very beautiful land because our motherland is surrounded by the nature from all sides. Isn't it? Yes. Next. Many temples and ashramas are built in it. Yes, many temples and ashramas are built in our motherland, are built in our India. Next point is my motherland is a symbol of unity and diversity. Yes, this is truth. My motherland is symbol of unity in diversity. Why? Because of in our country or in our India, we have so many types of culture, so many types of religions and castes, but what we are all think or what we are all thought, we are one, we are Indian. So our motherland is called as unity in diversity. Yes, next. Write the opposites of the following words. Okay, children, here they are given some words. We have to write for these opposite words. First one is dull, bright. Okay. Next, brave, coward, warm, cold. Next, fearful, fearless. Also right, and bold also right. We have to write to this. These two answer also correct. Next, fifth one, plenty. Plenty. This is lack or scarce. Next page. Read this paragraph and do the task that follow. Okay, children. Here they are given small paragraph here and some task given below. What is that task? Give a suitable title to this paragraph, and second one is identify the nouns in this paragraph. Okay, first we know the paragraph. Okay, children, now I am going to read this paragraph. All of you listen carefully. Okay. Lakshmi Bai was the queen of Jhansi. Her struggle with the British is legendary. The battle began early in June 1857. Sir Hugh Ross captured the fortress of Jhansi in March 1858. Rani Lakshmi Bai resisted, but Jhansi was captured by the British when traitors opened the gates of the fortress for them. On the night of 4th of April 1858, she escaped from the fortress and joined Tantia Topi at Kalpi. Rani Lakshmi Bai and Tantia Topi captured the fort of Gwalior from Scindia. She died fighting the British on 17th of June 1858 at Gwalior. The children understood? This paragraph is about the Lakshmi Bai. I think you all know the Lakshmi Bai, isn't it? She is one of the freedom fighter. Yes, children. First, what the task is given here? Give a suitable title to this paragraph. Okay, what we have to give the title for this? Yes, children. That is Lakshmi Bai, the Queen of Courage. Yes, this title is suitable for this paragraph. Yes. Next, identify the noun in the paragraph. Okay, we have to identify the noun in this paragraph. Already we have read this paragraph, no? Okay, now check out the nouns and underline that word. Okay, Lakshmi Bai. This is also noun. Next, Jhansi. First of all, okay children, first before we identify the noun, first we know the what is noun. Already you know this. Okay, noun is a naming words, isn't it? Or noun is name of person, place, animals and things, isn't it? Yes. Now let's know the noun. Lakshmi Bai. Okay, next, this is a name, so this is noun, Lakshmi Bai. Next, Jhansi. Next, British. Next, Sir Hugh Ross. Next, fortress, Jhansi. March, Rani Lakshmi Bai. Next, gates, night. Next, Tantia Topi, Kalpi, Lakshmi Bai, Tantia Topi, again, okay, again they are given here. Next, Fort of Gwalior, Scindia. Next, British, June, Gwalior. Okay children, here some nouns are repeated. Okay children, understood this all? Yes children, I hope you all understood. Now this poem is totally completed now, isn't it? Yes children, let's meet on next classes. Until then, take care and bye children.